In today's video, I'll be showing you how to revert the system language back to default on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Begin by opening the Settings app, which is in the form of a cogwheel or a gear icon. And from here, scroll and select General Management. If you can't understand the current system language, then in your settings menu, simply look for this gray icon here with adjust fasteners to make it simple. From there, tap on the first option, which is always language, and you should see a language list here. To switch to your default language, tap on it from the list, and if you can't find it, select Add Language, scroll through the list, tap on it, select the region, and then choose the last option, which is always set as default, and wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, you should see your device has switched back to its regular system language or its default system language. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.